Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome error code 523. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this error usually means the website server isn't reachable at this time, and now this is often due to DNS or file issues commonly seen with Cloudflare protected sites. So I'm going to go through the most common ways to fix it to the least common ways. Now, before we go ahead and start fixing this, we need to actually check if the website down. So for example, say if we're using TikTok, so go TikTok, is this site down? So just put whatever website it is and then type is this site down, and then go to any one of the top results here. So if we go down to Down Detector, we can see if there's any outages. Now if there is any outages, there's nothing we can do, we just basically got to wait it out. Now the next fix we can try is clicking on the three dots. I'm on Chrome, get the settings. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Firefox, it's basically you want to go to your cache data. So for Chrome, it's privacy and security, delete browsing data, and then we want to go to more, click all time. Now you want to just make sure cookies and other site data and cache image or file are selected, and then go ahead and click on delete data. Now the next fix is to go ahead and clear your DNS cache. Now this is for Windows, so this is one of the most common fixes we can try. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and R, and this is going to open up the run prompt. Then from here we want to go ahead and type in CMD and then hit OK. And now your command prompt should be open like so. Then from here we want to go ahead and copy and paste this line of command. So ipconfig space /flush DNS, etc, etc. So just copy and paste that in here and paste anyway, and let that run its thing, and then go ahead and restart Chrome. Now if you've got any VPNs or proxies running in the background, go ahead and disable them. So say for example, I'm over on my Google Chrome browser, so I want to go ahead and click on my extensions and then click manage extensions. Now I want to go ahead and disable all these extensions one by one, and then try going back to the website. Now if the website is working, just come back to your extensions and then enable these one by one to see which one is the culprit. The next fix is to reset our Chrome network settings. So to do this, we want to paste this line in, so Chrome settings reset, and then hit enter. And then where it says reset settings, click onto reset settings to original default. So go ahead and click onto that. And now this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, bookmarks history, and save passwords won't be affected. So go ahead and click on reset. Now if you're using your Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch over to mobile data or vice versa to see if it is a network problem. You might have limited internet connection on one of those two connections. Now next fix is to try the website in incognito mode. So I'm on Google Chrome, so I'll go in and click on the three dots, click onto new incognito tab, and then see if the website works in a different tab like this.